guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're gonna hear this thing humming. It's my little laminator, but I was going to see if we can make some knockoff Cricut craft cardstock that everybody's crazy over and it's extinct and, you know, discontinued. So Hobby Lobby has one of these vinyls. It is the holographic permanent vinyl. So basically any vinyl that you can see, you can kind of see that this is see-through because you can see the grid on the back. So I'm going to adhere this to white cardstock, a 12 by 12, and see if that works. I am going to do this on a cold setting as well. So since this paper is a true 12 by 12 and this one's a 12 by 12, the odds of you lining it up exactly are going to be slim pickings. So I just went in with my paper cutter and trimmed off a little sliver, like 1/8 of an inch on both sides so that the square is smaller than your white or whatever color cardstock you use. Tiffanys, Sweet Girly Things here on YouTube, she did sticker paper from Amazon. So I'm assuming the vinyl is going to do the same concept, but let's hope so. Okay, so on this side, I just peeled up a little bit, just like Tiffany. You just fold a small sliver over. This is permanent vinyl, so the minute it's on this paper, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over, and let me scoot this back a little bit. Oh, I can't even see reflection of the reflection. Okay, and I am just going to get it far to the edge because, again, I didn't. Okay, just a small sliver. Oh, see, it's not on all the way. Uh-oh. How permanent is it? Okay, so there's that. Just that is adhered, and then you're gonna stick this. Here's your little piece or whatever. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit more so that the machine can grab it. Let's see. Grabbing it, and it's undoing this piece by itself. Oh, well, it was. I would assist it. Kind of just hold it. Pull it down a little bit as you can see how much is feeding through. You don't want this to get sucked up in the machine. Scoot this back. Show this for video purposes. And enough room on my desk because this is a 12 by 12. Okay, so it's all the way in the machine. And it is sucking it out the back. Okay, turn this. Okay, this is the paper that I'm talking about. It is by Cricut. It is craft board, so it's very thick, like poster board. And this is the pink color in the collection, and then this is the orange. They're like fluorescent foil. And they're so pretty. I'm so sad I didn't get more on Amazon. I mean, this feels like it. It might actually even be thicker. Maybe same. You guys, these are pretty dang. This is a hotter pink, which it's good to have different foil colors. So if you guys want that, look, I have zero bubbles in this thing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So now you can just make your own Cricut craft board. Hopefully it cuts good in your die cutting machine. Obsessed. Bye guys.